Just bear with me 1 second while I get my devices all on here. All right, I think I am good to go. Oh, just a second. I have to mute this one. There we go. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Stamp with Shel. My name is Shel Anderson, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Today, I am going to do a live unboxing of the fabulous products coming to you in September from this catalog, as well as the September online exclusives. I'm going to show you a few of those as well. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the inside of the catalog yet, as per Stampin' Up! Policy, but I am allowed to show you the products themselves. Okay, my device just failed here. Bear with me 1 second. Okay, I guess we're flying blind today. Okay. I think I am going to show you the first item is this new 3D embossing folder. It is called the Softly Woven 3D Embossing Folder. And it's a large folder. Kind of almost looks like a plaid or gingham, but it's not. I did a piece of crumb cake cardstock, and I'm hoping the camera is picking that up. It's a little bit of a delay for me here. Yeah, I think it is picking it up. So that is the Softly Woven. And I love those neutral embossing folders that aren't too busy. So that is a great choice. All right, I think the next thing I'm going to show you is all the DSP that I got. Okay, first off is Radiant Foils. Now this might be reflective in the camera, and I'm sorry, but it is gorgeous. This is sunflowers with copper foiling, and this stuff is really nice and thick. It's not thin paper at all. And there's our second pattern with the copper foil stripes. And our third pattern. So really sharp foil paper. And I love that it's copper. And that is Radiant Foils. And that is a coordinating product with this Sunflower Fields. Now I am just going to flip through these papers so that you can see each of the patterns. This stuff is double-sided, and that is the back side. And then front and back. Love that Cajun Craze. This stuff is gorgeous. If you could see it up close, well, you will be able to soon. But it's gorgeous for fall. They all coordinate beautifully. And there's our last pattern. That is called Sunflower Fields. Now, I also bought when you buy your paper, you can purchase just the DSP, or you can purchase the DSP with the sticker sheet, which is just a little tiny bit more expensive. But I'm a scrapbooker, so I obviously like the stickers, but you can also use this in card making. Just take your embossing buddy and tap it on the back of the stickers, and it's just die cuts. There's no sticky left on there. But this one here is definitely intended for scrapbookers. So that is the Sunflower Fields DSP and the sticker sheet. All right. Next up, another autumn paper called Autumn Opulence. This is gorgeous too. Here's side A and B. A and B. Love, love, love this one. A and B. And of course, the leaves and the mushrooms. A and B. And these two. A and B. And of course, this is the sticker sheet that goes with that one. All kinds of, actually there's two there. Two different ones. Look at this. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Acorns and gourds and fall flowers, mushrooms. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, so that one is Autumn Opulence. We're stuck. There we go. All right. Next up is the Autumn Fields two-tone cardstock. And I'm just going to flip through these, slide them so you can see the colors. We have Cajun Craze, Early Espresso, Crushed Curry, Old Olive, Pecan Pie, and I'm not sure of that green. Mossy Meadow. This one's Mossy Meadow. So that is the two-tone cardstock. And that's the stuff that's really great to foil on. So I highly recommend the two-tone cardstock. It's a little bit lighter weight, but it's great for when you're using your foiling machine. Now we have Whispering Woods. This stuff, this pack just spoke to me. This is gorgeous. There's side A and B. And you get 4 of each. Check this out. Wouldn't that make a great background for a card? And look at these cut aparts or borders for your scrapbook page. And 4 of those. And once again, either borders, or you can cut it and make 6 cards out of 1 sheet of cardstock. And there's 4 of those. And that is called Whispering Woods. I always like to show the products so you can kind of see them a little better than in the catalog and a little earlier before you get your catalog. This one is Winter Dreams Specialty Paper. This is embossed, and the embossed areas are raised. Like, it's very textured. And we have 2 sheets of, it's one-sided, 2 sheets of snowflakes, 2 sheets of this it almost looks like knit stitches, like knit fabric. And then the gorgeous snowflakes or starry night, however your eyes see it. See how that, you hear that? That's because those raised edges are attached to the back side. Super cool. This one called Winter Dreams. And they are Secret Sea and white are the colors in that one. In case you were thinking it was black, it's not. It's Secret Sea. Now this stuff, oh my goodness, folks. This stuff is gorgeous. It is all wrapped up specialty paper. It is foiled. Can you see the sparkle in there? I hope so. And it is thick. It is nice and thick. And you're going to get 2 sheets of each pattern single-sided. So there's the first pattern. Here's our second pattern. And our third pattern. Look at this. Oh, I love this one. The silver foiling on that one. And then we have our silver leaves on green background. And then our bows. Isn't that pretty? Love, love, love this paper. So luxurious. All right. I think we got one left. This is another fall one called Painted Patch. So there's side A and B. All the gourds and pumpkins and mushrooms and acorns. There's side A and B with the black background as opposed to the white background in this one. And then we have a nice stripe with some more neutral looking pumpkins and gourds. And then another stripe with the bright colorful gourds. I love the blue ones. And then we have this one, a plaid and just a printed background of oak leaves. More oak leaves and pumpkins. So that's our final one, and it is called Painted Patch. So I'm hoping that you're seeing some things that you're liking, adding them to your wish list. I know they're just absolutely gorgeous, and I had a real hard time choosing myself. This is about half of what's available. All right, we're gonna move on. I'm gonna show you ribbons next. You get a pair of scissors here, and we will get these opened so that you can see them up close and personal. I can get my scissors in here to open them without cutting the ribbon. There we go. One more. I only got 4 ribbons this time. I have another small order coming, and I have some twine in that one. I'll show you that order when it comes in as well. All right, let's get rid of these staticky pieces of plastic. This one is called Calypso Coral and Copper. Check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful, beautiful ribbon. So Calypso, Coral, and Copper. And then this one is Mossy Meadow and Vanilla. And it's like a 3/8 inch, I think. 6.4 millimeter. No, quarter inch gingham check in Mossy Meadow and Vanilla. And then this is the textured white ribbon. This is so, so soft. And finally, this one was an online exclusive. This one with a snowflake paper. This one is Gold and Secret Sea 1/4 inch trim. And once again, this is really super soft and plush. All right, sorry about that. Forgot to shut off my notifications and got a phone call. I hope we're back. I forgot to shut off my notifications. All right, now we're going to do embellishments. These ones are the adhesive backed snowflakes, and these go with the snowflake paper. Isn't that gorgeous? Love those. Next up, painted patch adhesive back dots. Pool Party, Calypso, Coral, and does it tell me? No, but I am guessing Cajun Craze. That's my guess. Glossy Garden. These are, once again, Old Olive, Highland, no, Old Olive, Hydrangea Hue, and Crisp Cantaloupe, maybe? Yeah, I think so. I think so. Glossy Garden. Oh, these ones are so cute. These are Christmas epoxy shapes. Let me get these out of here so that we can actually see them all. There's white stars, gold stars, 2 different color candy canes, 2 different color Christmas balls, and 2 different color presents. Super, super, super cute. Love those. Christmas epoxy shapes. And next up is gold dots. And then these coordinate with that specialty paper that was so thick with the all wrapped up suite. These are sparkle sequins, Pool Party, different iridescence, silver and red. I'm gonna have to cut that to get it back in there. Bear with me a second. I should have cut it first. Cutting straight would be helpful. There we go. That'll slide in better. There we go. All right. Last up is Radiant Gems. Let's open these up as well, so I can slide them out and show you all the colors. Oh, those are pretty. Secret Sea, Old Olive, and Golden Glow would be my guesses. let's check the back. Does it say? Nope, it doesn't give us colors. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? Good morning, Barb. Glad you could join me. We are going on to stamps and dies. All right, first off, this is a bundle. I only have the stamp so far. I just couldn't get everything I wanted at once. This one is called Christmas Mice, and it is so cute. Check that out. Open it up here. And we're going to need a piece of cardstock to put these on so you can see them. So the mice are a nice size. They're not tiny. A little bit bigger than what's on the front of the package. Christmas mice. I think they're just so cute. All right. Next up, Elegant Leaves. This is also a bundle. I just have the stamp set right now. That will show you the size of the leaves. The greetings in here are hello, grateful for you, happy today, happy tomorrow, happy always, thank you, and sending caring thoughts. Gorgeous set. Right, that closed, and we'll go on to, this is a standalone stamp set called Lovely Celebration, and I will lay that on that piece of cardstock so you can see that it's a nice large cake. The greetings are happy birthday, wishing you a day as lovely as you are, and to someone special. I thought that was a great set to have for birthdays. I have lots of sets that have birthday wishes in them, but I don't have any that have a birthday cake, so that's why I wanted that one. Next up is Painted Pumpkins. This is a bundle that also has masks, which I do not have yet. This is the size of the pumpkins. And the greetings are thank you, hello, gorgeous, G-O-U-R-D-just. That's cute. Hey, I hope your day is fabulous. So that's that one. This comes, you can get the dies and the masks with that. I haven't got them yet. Unfortunately, you have to pick and choose. All right. Radiant Sunflower Bundle. Let's do the stamp set first. There's the stamp set, so you can see the size. Wishing you so much happiness, enjoy, thinking of you, and hello, friend. And you have a little butterfly, a single sunflower, a group of sunflowers, a leaf, and another sunflower. So that's Radiant Sunflowers and the coordinating dies. So these cut out all of these images. Then you have 3 standalone sunflowers, some leaves, a couple of vases, and a rectangular stitched die for your greetings. So that is the Radiant Sunflower Bundle. Okay, get in there. All right. This is just a stamp. It is, called Thanks and Giving. Nice fall set. A true Thanksgiving set. Give thanks Thank you. There's always something to be thankful for. You are appreciated. Happy Thanksgiving for everything you do, and grateful. Then you have the wreath, a pumpkin, the acorn, some wheat, and some other little accessorial stamps. This is the size. So it's pretty much true to size, I believe. Let me just put that on there. Yeah, it is. It's true to size. Thanks and giving. All right, we're getting close to the end. I've got just a few more. This one I think everybody should have. That's just my opinion. This was the first thing that I wanted to order. It is the Thinking of You bundle. This big die cuts out the words Thinking of You, and then there's a shadow die as well. Let me get these off here if I can. That adhesive is so strong. So there's the shadow to cut out, let's say, black. And then Thinking of You, you cut the words out in, let's say, pink. So the pink would pop on the black shadow, okay? So that's the die. So Thinking of You on your special day. Just thought you should know I was thinking of you, sending so much love your way. Feel better soon, here for you, thinking of you, wishing you strength and comfort. Love, dear friend, and a little note to say. And these greetings are not humongous. This is nice and big. These are to go with this above or below it. And these are true to size. So that is Thinking of You bundle. Stick those back on there for a minute until I get my magnet sheets going. All right. Two more. This is the Wrapped in Greenery bundle that goes with that beautiful thick paper and the sequins. The stamp set is true to size. Beautiful, beautiful imagery. And the coordinating dies. This one, and these two will cut out the stamped items. This one is just, it doesn't cut anything out, it cuts just this out. So you can put that in behind your featured stamp. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Done. Final one. Scalloped Christmas cheer dies. Aren't they fabulous? A scalloped rectangle. We have so many rectangle dies, but we don't have any scalloped ones, so now we do. This is part of a bundle. I did not buy the bundle, I just bought the dies. And I love that we can pick and choose. So that's the Scalloped Christmas Cheer dies. I think it was a greeting set that came with it, and I just passed that because, well, you know. And that, my friends, is it for today. And I think that's quite a lot of little things to share. I do have a couple more things that will be coming, nothing major, but I'll show those when they come. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you found some things in there that you're going to want to order. And if you have any questions, give me a shout. AndersonShel@gmail.com. Bye-bye for now.